Hello guys, how you all doing? Today I'm making stew, and I've fried my fish, my chicken, shaki, cow food, cow tail, and blended tomatoes. And I'm using this one, the Rika. Then I got moimoi to cook tonight. I've been washing this moimoi for all day. I'm gonna use this corned beef to cook it, and the foil to wrap it. So when I'm doing that, I'm gonna show you guys. So right now, let me make my stew. This is the stew now. This is the stew cooking. That is the ewedu. I'm gonna eat it with ewedu. I haven't cooked the ewedu yet because I just defrost it. So I'm gonna make the ewedu in a minute. Putting some of the spices, blended red pepper bell, garlic, ginger, onions, and bonnet chili as well, and tomatoes, all blending there. A little bit cooked, parboiled before in that saucepan. It's been cooked on this saucepan. So I'm just frying it now. This is the ewedu. I'm gonna cook it earlier on with I'm going to cook the ewedu with this one. This is the ewedu. This is egusi, blended egusi and iru. I'm gonna put it in the ewedu later on after making the stew. So I got a lot to cook today. I'm cooking moimoi. For a very long time I haven't eaten moimoi though. I like to wash my own beans, so sometimes I don't really have time to wash the beans to do the moimoi. So, but today I just decided to do it after a very long time not cooking the moimoi. So I decided to do the moimoi today. Yeah. So that is the stew boiling away. I'm gonna tip in the meat, everything gone in there. I'll put the fried fish later on. That will be the last because it's already fried. I don't want it to break inside the stew. The fried micro. I don't really want too much oil in my stew. When you cook stew, you see this oil. I use olive oil though, so I don't really want like floating on my stew. Just put a little quantity of oil, not too much oil in the stew. There's the calf foot. Or take time to cook the oxtail, shaki stew, oxtail, stockfish. There's a little bit of stockfish in there. The stockfish. There's the fried chicken. So I'm eating it tonight with amala. If not, I might eat the moimoi. I will plan eating the moimoi tonight, so I will see how it goes. I might eat both. Make amala with ewedu, and then this is the ewedu. I might turn on the cooker for the ewedu to start cooking. Then I put the ewedu in the saucepan. That's the corned beef for my moimoi. So after the stew, I'm gonna start wrapping the moimoi. So let me have some, get some spoon. That's the ewedu is cooking now. I'm gonna tip in the egusi, and the iru, ogiri, we call it ogiri, or locust beans. The stew is cooking there. And that's the egusi in there, a little bit of egusi. Yeah. Not too much. I don't want too much egusi. I'm not using, just put a little bit, that will do. In the ewedu. That is the ewedu cooking. You can see it. And that is my stew set. It's cooking. Because my better half doesn't eat stew, doesn't eat fish, so I'm gonna bring out some chicken for him. He won't eat my he will not eat the shaki. He won't like the shaki. So I'm gonna bring out small stew for him before I put the fish, because he doesn't eat fish. So that is his own sitting down there. So I'm gonna put my own fish now in the stew. So that is it, guys. So please, guys, go and subscribe and leave your comments and remain blessed. And thank you all. My ewedu is cooking now. You can see my ewedu is bubbling there, and the stew. And thank you, guys, and take care. Bye.